Dear friend, I hope all of you are good. In this video, I'll let you know how to make money by domain parking. You can see this is a domain name drsingle.com. I bought this domain from Namecheap just few days back, and now without doing nothing, I am earning $3 per day. That means I bought this domain just for $8 on Namecheap, and per month I am earning $90 to $100. That means per year I will earn more than $1,000, and it will cost just $9 per year for renewal. So this is how you can earn thousands of dollars just by buying a domain name on $8 to $10. So without further talking, let's see the report. So this is the platform called Namecheap.com where I bought my domain name drsingle.com. So let's find out drsingle.com from my domain list. drsingle.com. Here it is. So you can see this is my domain name drsingle.com. I bought it from this marketplace on 30 November 2020 and I paid only $8 to buy this domain. After that, I listed this domain on a parking platform named Bodis.com. Here you can see this is my domain drsingle.com. You can see this is my earning report of last 7 days. And I got more than $10 just for 5 days listing. And this way you can earn up to $1,000 per year if you have a good domain name with good keyword and good marketplace value. And this is not all. There is something more called domain investing. If you want to sell your domain, you can offer for more than $10,000. That means if someone willing to buy your domain name, he has to pay you $10,000. So dear friend, how you can earn by domain parking? Earning by domain parking is very easy. All you have to do, you have to buy a domain name from any platform like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Epic.com, Diana.com or anything like that. After buying this domain, you have to park it or you have to list it on a parking platform like Bodis, Bodo, Epic, Sido. They will do everything for you. You have to do nothing. Just buy the domain name and park it on a platform. That's all for you. And that platform will advertise on your domain name. If somebody visit and click those links, you can earn money. There are a lot of domain selling platforms like Sido.com, Epic.com, Afternic.com, GoDaddy.com, Dan.com and many more. So until you sell your domain, you can earn up to $1,000 as a domain parking revenue by listing your domain on different domain parking platforms. So let's see how your domain will look like if you park your domain. This is how your domain will look like. You can find some advertisement on there. If someone visit and click those advertisements, you will start your earning money. For this, you have to do nothing. Just click add new domain and list your domain on that platform. Dear friend, in my upcoming videos, I will discuss everything about domain parking, how you can choose good domain name with good keyword, where you can list your domain name, and all the method to gain some knowledge about domain parking, domain flipping, or domain investing, whatever you say. So, what are you waiting for? Just check out my description link below to find out best and cheap domain register to start your domain investing journey. So, dear friend, thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to answer your question. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates. See you next time. Until then, take care.